fully digital Starline Immobiliser on a Lamborghini Urus. So if someone got this key, went to steal it, car's simply not going to start. If they tried to crank it, nothing's going to happen. So what the customer's got to do, keep their foot off the brake, turn the ignition on. Once all their lights are on, they'll go through their unique code. For now, we just have something simple. 1, 2, 3. Hear that disarm tone, foot on the brake, turn the ignition off, start the car. And the vehicle runs. And they can put it in gear. Once again, once they leave the vehicle, system becomes active and they'll have to go through over the push sequence again, or they can pair up their phone using Bluetooth. So with the Bluetooth on this phone, we'll just hop in the vehicle, start it up, fires up straight away, disarms through the phone, no need to waste the time with the code, and they can drive off. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is Starline full digital immobiliser. Thanks for watching.